drive them off the pier and make them swim out to an awaiting boat. One lucky Paniello would get to dive down underneath with 2 leather straps, and they would hoist the cow up and they would move it into the boat. Right? That's how we used to ship them. Nowadays, we don't ship them via ship. Now we fly them to California. Yeah.
No wonder we weigh so much.
Right? Air-conditioned 747s. They get these giant cattle cars, load them all up, throw them on the airplane. They fly them to California. 6 hours or 2 days at 20 knots. 4 days at 20 knots, I apologize. So it's more cost-effective to fly them to California to get processed. Which, of course, the cows don't seem to mind because nowadays they get a free movie. And a bag of pretzels, right? Yeah, I know. These jokes are utterly terrible. Alright, I'll stop the bull. What do you call a cow with no legs? Ground beef. What do you call a cow with 2 legs? Lean beef. What do you call a cow that just gave birth to a baby calf? Well, she'd be decaffeinated, of course. Go to the right-hand side of that old pier. That pier was used also for the exportation of sugar out of our island of Hawaii. December 31st of 2016 was the last major sugar production transported off the island of Maui over to California to get processed. It's not cost-effective anymore, so we stopped producing sugar here on the islands.
What is the number of exported pineapples?
Pineapples off of our island is pretty nil, to be honest with you. Now, Maui and Oahu, their pineapples, they're probably in the, I'd say, number 2 or 3. Yeah, they don't have a lot of, well, they don't have any cattle, so, you know, that's not a big thing for them. I mean, they do have cattle, don't get me wrong, but it's not a major viable export. And then, of course, they don't have a lot of coffee for export there on the island either. So I would say pineapples are probably pretty high up there. You know, especially Oahu with the Dole Plantation.